If you've ever tried to make an online purchase on an international platform and your Nigerian debit card was declined or not supported, you know how frustrating it can really be. And sometimes you try to get a virtual dollar card, but the truth is that there are only a few virtual dollar card issuance platforms out there that are really reliable. It's either some of them have exorbitant fees or they just have hidden charges here and there. Well, I'm happy to tell you that I recently discovered a platform called pst.net, which is a reliable virtual dollar card issuance platform that can actually help you to get cards that you can use across international platforms to pay for subscriptions, to pay for ads, to pay for hotel bookings without restrictions. And in this tutorial, we're going to be doing a review of this platform together. Hi there, my name is Mary Adele, and welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel, we talk about how to make money online, sales, marketing, and advertising. Also, how to use tools and platforms to make your everyday life in the online space very easy and seamless. One of the interesting things about this platform is that you can actually replenish or fund it in crypto, and they support up to 18 cryptocurrencies. Let's get into my laptop screen and let me show you how this platform works. And to access this dashboard, you're simply going to go to your Chrome browser and type in pst.net, either on your mobile or on a desktop. And of course, you can get a mobile app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store. Cards for advertising and personal purchases. So scrolling further down, you're going to be seeing that they have different cards, but my favorite is the Ultima card because it is a multi-purpose card. Of course, they have cards for ads as well that supports the different platforms like I mentioned earlier. They have cards for Facebook ads, for Google ads, for TikTok ads. Let's explore the Ultima card, right? I'm going to click on Get Card so that we can get to learn more about the Ultima card. The Ultima card is the best or most suitable card for most online shopping platforms. And here also, you can see that you can actually have accounts in USDT, in Bitcoin, in US dollar and euros, right? Once you fund your account, you can actually convert to any of these accounts. All right, to top up your account, let's say for instance you've signed up already and you want to top up your account to get your card or to start spending, all you need to do is to select the payment method you want to use and top up using Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or even the Theta USDT. All right, so if you have any of these accounts, you can go on to top up with them. You can actually top up also with other payment methods like your debit or credit card using the Master or Visa card platforms. So any of these that you have can actually be your gateway to topping up your PST account. So here we have the withdrawal. So if you have funds in your account and you want to withdraw it, you can actually do that. So they actually allow you to withdraw up to $100 weekly. And there is also an exchange feature here. So let's say, for instance, that you want to make a transfer and you want to convert from USDT to another currency, you can actually do that. So either you want to see the exchange rate of USDT to the US dollar or euro or Bitcoin, you can actually see all that here. And you would see how much was deducted on that transaction, and you would notice that there is no deposit fee. That's also one thing with this platform. It's not just transparent, it is also very affordable. So they actually have zero fees on a lot of things, including transaction fees. They also have zero fee for declined payments, meaning that if your payment does not go through, you're not charged. Then they also have zero fee for withdrawal from card. So if you want to withdraw money from your card, there is no fee attached to it. And then there is also 0% on withdrawal refund and 0% on withdrawal fee. Another thing I did not mention is that PST net cards are issued by banks in the US, and all cards support USD. And each card comes with a number, just like an actual card. It comes with a number, an expiration date, and a CVV code. And most importantly, the cards come with 3D secure for added safety and security. Back to the main dashboard, you can either sign up from here directly, or you can, when you select the card you want to use, which in this case, we are looking at the Ultima card, right? So when you select the Ultima and go to maybe learn more or get card, you can now sign up from that end. All right. Or you can also sign up from the main dashboard and then select the card that you want to get. All right, so it's taking me to my account because I already have an account. But for you, all you just need to do is to click on sign up. So the sign up process is really simple and seamless. You can either sign up with your Google account. So they have 24/7 customer support available through Telegram bots, WhatsApp, and email. And like I said, it is often very, very swift. Or you can enter an email and provide the password, or you can even sign up with WhatsApp or Telegram. So once you click on the WhatsApp or Telegram sign up, it's going to be redirecting you to chat with a customer service representative. Now, they actually have very great customer service support, and the Telegram bot also provides service notifications and 3D secure codes. So the platform is really very particular about the security of your transaction. So after you've signed up with your email, for instance, you're now going to be receiving an email welcoming you to pst.net, and you're going to be required to confirm your email. All right, so you can just click on confirm email. So let's say we want to get the Ultima card. I'm just going to click on issue card. Now, another thing you need to note is the cards are not exactly free. So you're going to be getting this card for $7. So they actually have different payments on this card. We have weekly, monthly, and annually. So if you just want to try it out, for instance, you can get started at the weekly plan. So after selecting the card tariff you want, so say for instance you want to go with the weekly plan, you can now come here to select your payment system, and they have different payment system. They have the Visa 3D Secure and the normal Visa, and then they also have the Mastercard 3D Secure and the normal Mastercard. So you can just go on to select your preferred option, and then they said the desired balance is $50. So that means that you would have to fund your account with up to $50 before you can actually go on to you know, fund. And then after you finish funding, you can now go on to get your card. All right, so getting your card is within minutes, right? So it doesn't take a long time. So after you've gone through the process of getting your card, you can now fund your wallet and start to enjoy seamless transactions online. Now, before I go on to talk about the last thing, which is how you actually make money from this platform, let's talk about something very interesting that also concerns security, and that's the real-time bean check via PSC Pulse 2. Now, with the PSC bean checker called the Bean Checker Pulse PLT, you can verify your bank identification number for free. Now, your bank identification number is the first 6 to 8 digits on your card, and doing this verification can actually help you ensure the security of your online transactions. The verification process can provide the details of the card, and it also shows real-time statistics for the PSC bin, displays the approval and decline rate of the card, average spending per card, and typical card threshold. So all of these things are actually very important when it comes to the security of your online transactions. Then lastly, let's talk about the affiliate program. So they actually have a very robust affiliate program that allows you to earn on your referral. So it says share a discount and earn reward. So you can just come here and click to learn more about the affiliate program. All right, but they offer 90% of exchange fees, 30% from card issuance, and 10% of all top-up fees paid by your referrals. Plus, if they bring in their own referrals, as the people you refer, if they bring in their own referrals, you get to earn percentage from that as well. Now, another interesting way to earn from this platform is to give them reviews, right? So if you go on Trustpilot and you give them a positive review, now it's not as though you're just going to go there and give a false review. You ought to have used the platform and see how seamless it is. You can go on to give your review, and you can actually earn up to $100 reward if you give them a review on Trustpilot. And that is because they value positive feedback. You can even follow them on Twitter or on X, and then you can check to see when they have offers for free cards so that you can grab your free card. But in the meantime, you can actually just go on to get your card for $7, and of course just go on to try it. So let me know, what do you think about this platform? Are you going to be trying it out? If you are going to be trying it out, please go to the comment section and let me know what you think. I'd also like to know your experience with other virtual dollar cards that you have tried and what the difference is between those ones and everything that we've seen on pst.net. All the links to access these platforms, whether it's to download the app from Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, or to visit the website, or even to register, you're going to be finding them in the description of this video, so make sure that you check it out. Also, there is a comment pinned to this video. It's going to be taking you directly to the registration interface, so make sure that you check out this platform. Make sure you read Q&A, and also make sure that you go through Trustpilot to also see what other people are saying, because when you hear what other people are saying, I'm sure that it's going to be reinforcing your belief that this platform truly works. And until I come your way next time, don't be a stranger. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and stay updated with our content. Bye for now.